Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress to make a website. First, understand that WordPress is a powerful and widely used platform, powering more than 40% of all websites globally. It's incredibly versatile, allowing you to build anything from a simple blog to a complex e-commerce store. We'll cover the essential steps to get your site up and running smoothly, ensuring you have a solid foundation for your online presence. Let's dive into the process. Your website needs a home, which is where web hosting comes in. You'll need to choose a reliable hosting provider. Many offer plans starting from just a few dollars per month. Next, pick a memorable domain name, like your businessname.com, which typically costs around $15 annually. Most quality hosts provide a convenient one-click WordPress installation, making the setup process incredibly simple and fast. Look for good customer support. Once you have your hosting and domain, it's time to install WordPress. Access your hosting control panel, often called cPanel, and use the one-click installer. After installation, log into your new WordPress dashboard. Here, you'll set your site title and a brief tagline. Then, select a theme, which is your website's visual design. There are thousands of free and premium options available. Finally, add essential plugins for security and performance. Now for the fun part, customizing your site. Use the WordPress customizer to adjust colors, fonts, and layouts without touching any code. Start creating your content by adding pages, like About Us and Contact, and writing blog posts. Ensure you have robust security plugins, like WordFence and performance enhancers, such as WP Supercache, installed. Before launching, thoroughly review every page and link to ensure everything works perfectly. Then, share your new site with the world.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.